Where does the name for Porth Dinorwig come from? Hello everyone, this is my pal. Today I'm in Porth Dinorwig. It's just a little bit outside Felinheli in Gwynedd. Now this is one of my favourite place names because it preserves something really old. So Porth is a port or a harbour, which makes sense because this is actually a small harbour. I think you can see the boats over there in the back. Din is a hill fort originally, and it also gave us the word dinas in Welsh, which means a city. And then we have Orwig, which comes from a really old root. Now, back in Roman times, the tribe that lived in this area were called the Ordowice, from Ordowic, which is an old Celtic word for a hammer. So it meant something like the hammerers or the hammers. And that was the name for the tribe that lived everywhere between Anglesey all the way down into Powys. Now, their name is preserved in one place, and up in the mountains back behind here, up at the top of the Afon Heilfryn, was a hill called Dinorwig, or a hill fort called Dinorwig, which meant the hill fort of the Ordowice. Now, they gave their name to the slate mine which was built on that area, so that became Dinorwic Quarry, which then, this is the place where the slate from that quarry was taken and put out to sea to be transported across the world. So this is Dinorwic Harbour, and that's where the name comes from. Anyway, deal. Subscribe for more, and make sure to check out my link in bio for my Patreon if you want to support me, and my website if you want to book in a walk.